Hello and welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today I'm making winter special baked veggies. I have a number of veggies like corn, okra, taro root, eggplants, raw banana, then the sweet potatoes, baby potatoes. And I have wal beans in a pod. Also have fresh coconut and cilantro, garlic, turmeric, sugar and salt. I'm going to use coconut oil and lemon juice. I'm making this in a clay pot. So I'll first show you how I have prepared the clay pot for this recipe. This is a clay pot I'm going to use in today's recipe. It has been soaked in the water overnight. We can also soak it for like 6 or 7 hours. That is fine. So let's start with our veggies. So this is the clay pot I have earlier shown you. This is well soaked and I am going to line this with the banana leaves. It will add to the flavor and this is optional. Going to add these beans in the pods. Then you can add randomly all the other veggies. I'm going to add the salt. Sugar. Turmeric. Going to squeeze in the lemon juice. Adding coconut oil. Top it with the freshly grated coconut. And the garlic. the banana leaf on the top. And then we have these lemon slices, which I'm going to dip it a little in salt and sugar. Put it on the top. This we are not mixing with the veggies because we are going to eat it as a side, like a pickle. It will be roasted and cooked, so it will be so good. So I have placed the pot in the oven. The oven is cold, not preheated. It's very important. If you have a clay cooker, then please do not preheat the oven. I have placed the lid and it is well secured. You can also make this in Dutch oven, so that's good enough too. So I'm going to push it in. Set the temperature at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and check after 75 minutes. So after 75 minutes, it appears it has been done. I'm going to check, and maybe 15 minutes more. Let's see. Wow, it looks good. Smells so good. So I'll just I think I'll keep it for like 10 minutes uncovered, and then it will be ready to serve. So now it's a time to take a first look, and ta-da! Oh my god, steaming hot, and the aroma of the mixed veggies is just lovely. Amazing. Wow, it's like, look at it. Warmth, comfort, richness, you name it. So good. So good. Look at it. Oh my god, can't wait. Everything so well cooked. Hot. It will go well with the garlic bread or hot rotis. Beautiful. Beautiful. And this roasted lemon slice is so good. The whole combination along with this has really come out well. You must try it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.